treated wood. In the art, I would say we have pressure treated, chemically treated, which is an outdoor application, more resistant to bugs and the environment. And then you have kiln-dried, which is used on an internal application for more dimensional certainty. You dry it out and it has a less resistance to bugs and so forth, but kiln-dried is not treated. It is not a chemically treated wood. It doesn't have a chemical impregnated into it in order to reduce bugs from biting it or anything like that. We don't use kiln-dried for all framing, but some people want dimensional certainty. In certain places you'll use a KD or a kiln-dried to reduce the variability. It reduces the moisture in it, so it guarantees more dimensional certainty. It won't move as much over time. Pressure treated wood is more for your spots that bugs will come into your house. It's used on what's called the plate of your house, which is the wood that sits on top of your concrete foundation. That's typically definitely pressure treated there, because that's the spot that water and bugs will first attack. And so you use pressure treated along there. Outdoor applications, decks, so forth, you use pressure treated because it's open to the environment. It's more resistant to bugs. They don't want to bite it. I have read on kiln-dried, if you use spruce, the natural resins in the material is a little bit bug resistant, but it's still using an internal application if it's not treated.